you go, Ellie.
So that'll be cool because I haven't seen her in a long time. And I've never met her boyfriend. It's so funny, like, I went to Torrington like probably 6 years ago.
Uh-huh.
Had to have been almost that 5 or 6 years ago with a friend of mine that knew her. And
Are you
that's how her and
dizzy,
I met.
Ellie?
And she's like one of my best friends now, but she doesn't talk to the girl that I don't either. Was our mutual friend how we met? It's pretty cool.
That is way cool. Oh.
Are you done?
Whoa. Whoa. She's like, I'm so dizzy, I can't even stand up.
Ooh. Dogs. I am dog.
Are you done, Ellie?
It was so funny. When you guys got back from Easter and you guys just had the puppies,
Uh-huh.
she didn't talk near as much as she does now. But all the time, every day she'd say Ivan's dog, Ivan's dog, and we did not understand what she was saying. And finally we're like, Ivan's dogs. And she still talks about them.
All gone.
They're all gone. You got one left
Got
outside.
one.
The puppy. They got one puppy left.
Oh, quit.
You're silly.
Those dogs are silly, huh?
Are you done spinning? Good. What?
You'd like to swim, don't you?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?